In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your Audiomack account. It's simple and easy. So if you are fed up and you want to delete your account, that's what you can do. So you tap on the settings at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that here. Scroll here, you can see delete. They've made it very much easy to find. So if you want to delete your account, you do that. So now you need to enter your password. You get it? So to delete your account, enter your password below and tap the delete and you are good to go. So if you've forgotten your password too, you can reset it here before you, proceed to deleting it. So let's say I've forgotten my password, or let's say my password is blah, 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 blah. Now I have the delete button. You see it's dim right now. So now let me tap on this to reset it. So this is my mail I used to sign up. I tap on the submit. They give me a link. I reset my password and I come here to enter it here and then I delete my account. That's it on how you delete your Audiomack account. Simple and easy. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Peace.